How's it going, YouTube? Just left this estate sale here and picked up a couple good things. Everything I'm going to show you cost 20 bucks. So a Stomper from the early 2000s still in the box, an old Tonka, Volkswagen, a couple old watches, mechanical, Caravel, it's working. A Seiko High Beat automatic. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. Some gold-filled glasses. Again, all this stuff was 20 bucks for everything. And then this pewter sculpture made by Raymond Myers. The exact same one sold on eBay for a best offer of $99. So that was included in there. Then probably the best piece was this. As I told you guys before, with old cameras, it's all about the lens. And this lens alone looks to be worth around $300. So that was an outstanding pickup. So yeah, these are my finds for today, Thursday at 4 estate sale. Now, if you guys like my videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.